Hey, Levi here from Nuts and Outdoor Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to put a tube on the tire. Now, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on suggestions for videos. But, hey, if you're a biker, you just got a new bike, maybe it didn't have tubes in it, well, you need to know how to put tubes in your bike, no matter what. I'm sure it may be an issue to occur. I mean, if you're tubeless, then I don't think that's really going to be a problem for you. But anyways, you want to have a pump, a tube, a tire, and a rim. So you're definitely going to have to take off the tire before you get to this point. So make sure you do that, and make sure you have what you need. Anyways, as you can see, I've already pumped up the tube and taken out the old one for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the rim, we're going to sit it aside for now. We're going to take our tube and we're going to put it in our tire. You may want a tool so you are able to put it in on the rim, put the tire on the rim. Because if you don't have a tool, it may be harder for you. But I mean, if you've done this before, you should probably don't need to watch a video. But anyways, you want to put your tube in here. This may take a minute, so stick with me, please, as I do it. As you're doing this, you want to make sure it's all good by putting it in the right way, of course, which I have not. Yep, put in. Okay, twist that around right there and you're good. Make sure that valve stem goes in correctly. Make sure your cap's off before you put it on the tire. Alright, now that your tube's in your tire, as you can see, you want to take it and you want to put it on your rim. So start by inserting the valve stem. Well, inserting this side of the rim into the tire. So stretch it. It'd be easier to have two people, but I don't have another person to help me right now. So anyways, you set the valve stem in there. Now you're going to set your tire on your side and start working it on the pump and your rim here. So just do that by pushing it in there. This is the part where you need the tool. You want to be careful not to pinch the tube. You don't have to get a new one. As you take your tool or whatever you got. I have a wrench here, a 15, and I'm just putting it in there. And as I go, use my hands. Alright, now that we're there, we want to grab the valve stem here. I probably should have pushed it all the way through first, but let me just fix that problem real quick. By kind of knocking it through there, pulling it. Alright, there's your valve stem. Now we want to pump our tire. Make sure it sets on thing. If you don't have a thing to hold your valve stem, hold it in your finger, like a bowl or something. Anyways, pump the tire. Yep, have to set right and you pump it. This is just a weird tube. Normally this would be easy, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult for me. Oh, I ain't got it quite on right. So let me try this one last time here. There we go. And this time I actually have it on there again. Alright, so you put your air in there. Feeling the tire as it pumps. As you can see, it starts to stiffen. For this tire, I'm going to get to about 20 pounds. I'm going to take this thing off here. The pump. And I'm going to put my valve stem on. And there you have it. Tire's full of air. Set to where it needs to be, and it's done. Just like that. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more great content like this. And give me comments. Support the channel the best you can. I appreciate y'all watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.